My name's Brian Murray and we're here on the family farm at home in Roscommon. We were previously at sheep and beef. We decided to go dairying, I suppose, this time last year, and we went to do the Parlour, and we started in January of this year, milking. So we're currently milking 84 heifers now. They're crossbred heifer. The dairy system is a 16-unit Dairymaster Parlour and room for 20. The main reasons we changed from sheep and beef was it's hard to make a living. It's hard to be at home full time for me with sheep and beef. My father is farming with me and there isn't money for the two of us with sheep and beef. It had to be dairy really. I suppose we started building last June and got everything done, and the Parlour was fitted last September, October. Full milking at just maybe an hour, a small bit over an hour in the morning and under the hour in the evening, that's what it'll take. The cluster removers, obviously we have that, and the auto wash. We have the batch feeders here and we have the control box. The batch feeders are very simple, that's why we like them. The feeders you can set whatever you want, and then every day you just press your button, or every morning even you press your button and the meal drops, and it's very simple. We also got the foldable wash line. I'm tall and I didn't like having to bend down. You know, I just thought it's a simple design, but it's there like. The installation was perfect. We had to have our bit done, but the lads came there and there was no hassle. They done their thing and they said they'd have it done by a date, and they had it done by the date, and that was the way it went. And they helped me then with the milkings, just to get used to the Parlour and show me the bits and pieces on it, and everything that way was 100%. We have a Dairymaster bull tank also. It's a 9750 litre one, and it's a Swiftcool and a 3-way valve on it, and it's perfect. It cools the milk. I'd recommend Dairymaster to anyone. Like it's perfect. It does exactly what it's supposed to do, like milks cows, and it's 100%. There's no problem. I would highly recommend Dairymaster.